As an architectural woodworker, we are constantly evolving with new products. We're in a custom environment. We're typically building one-offs for various customers that lead from the retail world, banks, hospitals, healthcare related stuff, corporate furniture, school environments, shelving, pretty much you name it, but it's a custom environment, nothing standard. It gives you a real good charge when you have 80% of your client base that's a repeat customer, and then you team up with all this new technology that we're dealing with, and it knocks it out of the park. Automation from a standpoint of what we're doing today has come light years from what we did 30 some odd years ago. Back in the day, as we all know, probably most things were done with a traditional cut list and a table saw, and now we have an engineering department and several engineers backed up with software that feeds code to the machine. The environment is fast-paced and accurate. Teaming up with the Stiles Group, having the ability to engage with their engineering department and collaborate with software that speaks to the machines, it's a dynamic fit. In early stages, we've had some various manufacturers that were on the floor as far as equipment was concerned. And in recent times, notably the last 6 to 8 years, we teamed up with Stiles, and all the HOMAG stuff we feel has been far superior to the machines that we've been working with over the years. You know, recommendation for Stiles would be right at the top. On a scale of 1 to 10, I put them in a category of a 10. They deliver, their equipment is seamless, their software integration, the people that stand behind it, the service department, the fact that they have parts. You know, let's face it, things go wrong with machines. Having a machine down in our industry is kind of catastrophic from a financial standpoint because we've got strict schedules to lean on. When we deal with Stiles, they back everything 100%, and it's been a great relationship or a great partnership, and would tell all that it's something to look forward to. Get yourself involved.